How to add dotted text in Google Docs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add dotted text in Google Docs. Yes, it's super quick and easy. This effect is perfect for creating creative designs, forms, or even just making a text stand out. So let's get started. First, head to the Google Docs or open the Google Docs app on your phone and simply click on blank or choose a template to start a new document. Now simply tap on the Insert tab at the top and from there simply go to Drawing. Click on New. Now this type of interface will be shown. Now what you need to do is tap on Actions and simply click on Word Art. Now simply type the text you want dotted and simply press Enter. Now at the top you can find an option that is color. Simply choose the preferred color. You can choose whichever you want. Now likewise you can choose the border color as well. Now, once you've done that, at the most right, you can see a border dash. Simply tap on it and choose the type of border dash you want. Now, let me make it more visible to you. Simply tap on the second option and you can increase it to 2ps, 3ps to make sure your dotted is more visible. And that's it. That's how you can simply add a dotted text in Google Docs.